Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another interesting video. My name is Dima. Just in case you're joining me, please click on the subscription button if you're new, and also on the notification button so that you'll be notified on our future uploads. In today's video, I share a super hair growth treatment. This conditioner grows your hair really fast and also conditions hair. Grow your hair like crazy with this simple moisture packed treatment. To begin, my very first ingredient for today's recipe is aloe vera leaves. Freshly plucked aloe vera leaves like so. Just two sizable ones like so will be enough for this recipe. You can do more than 2 leaves. That's if your hair is highly dense, or if you want more of the juice, you can do more than 2. If you haven't come across using aloe vera juice for hair yet, then you're seriously missing out. Aloe vera juice has huge benefits if you are set to really nurturing your hair in order for it to grow healthily. Aloe vera has really been used to improve hair health and lessen breakage, which contributes to hair growth. Aloe vera helps with itchy scalp. Seborrheic dermatitis is a common inflammatory skin condition that affects your scalp. It causes dandruff, red skin, and scaly patches. Researchers have found that aloe vera can significantly decrease the scaliness and itchiness on your scalp. It also protects from UV rays of the sun and also help with hair growth. You guys have always been seeing aloe vera make rounds on YouTube. Truth is, aloe vera works well for hair growth. From what you can see in the video, the goal is to get rid of the greenish part on the aloe vera and also get the whitish part. As you can see, I'm not blending this. That's because I didn't have light. There was no power supply at the time when I shot this video, so I had to improvise using my wig cap. This wig cap was not used on hair. I actually bought it specifically for this purpose, and I noticed that the wig cap got torn when I was trying to squeeze out the juice. The goal is just to get the juice out of the gel. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but I was trying to get the juice, kind of blending it and getting the juice like you would normally do with blender. But I don't have light and I have to improvise. So since I noticed that this wasn't working, so I opted for a cheesecloth. So I had to pour the gel in my cheesecloth, and that did it better. So please, if you don't have light, if you don't have blender, please go ahead and use this method. But when using the cheesecloth, make sure not to fold the cheesecloth, because if you do, you will find it difficult to get your aloe vera juice out. So after squeezing all of that out, I got my juice finally, and I had to transfer it into a clear bowl just so you all can see. Moving on to my next ingredient, I have honey as my next ingredient. This honey is actually from my small business, Fuller Hair Care on Instagram. So this is me officially introducing you to my new business. We do not have a website yet, but you can make your pictures on Instagram. The link to that page will be in the description box, and also I'm going to be leaving the handle on the screen just in case you're in Nigeria or in the diaspora, you want to purchase honey. This honey can be used in your meals. It can also be used for your hair. It can be used on skin. I assure you, this is 100% honey, unprocessed honey, pure, no additive, 100% natural. So please come support my small business. I know a lot of you consume honey. Also, is very good for hair. So I thought I should introduce you to this business, and I know that you will support this business, and thank you so much. Moving on, honey has both emollient and humectant properties, making it a great hair moisturizer. Emollients smooth the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair. Humectants bond with water molecules, adding moisture to dry strands. By moisturizing and locking in shine, honey can help restore the natural luster of your hair. For the proportion, I measured out 1 tablespoon of that into aloe vera. Because honey is so thick, you have to stir this. You have to mix this properly to make sure that the ingredients combine so well. Another important benefit of honey is that it helps with hair loss. Hair sheds daily as a part of natural growth cycle. However, some people find that their hair sheds more than normal. If you're losing more hair than you are comfortable with, then know that your hair needs some TLC, tender loving care. Consider all the benefits that honey has to offer and add honey to your routine, and you will never regret it. So after mixing properly, I transfer that into my applicator bottle. Next ingredient is to add some essential oils in eucalyptus, lavender, and peppermint essential oils. I added 5 drops each of the essential oils. Adding essential oils to your routine or to your treatments actually helps to further stimulate hair growth. Moving on to my next ingredient, last ingredient and not the least, vitamin E oil. This vitamin E oil was gotten from a pharmacy, and yes, you can get your vitamin E oil from pharmacies. For the proportion, I made use of 1 capsule like so. I had to cut that open. This vitamin E oil is not expensive, especially if you're in Nigeria. Just go to any pharmacy, ask them to give you vitamin E oil. This vitamin E oil can help prolong the shelf life of this treatment, but I advise you use this treatment within a month, and also make sure you store it in the refrigerator. Vitamin E hair oil highly promotes hair growth, which improves the texture and volume of your tresses, making them stronger and healthier. For the application, I highly suggest that you do this treatment immediately after your deep conditioning treatment. That is, after shampooing your hair, you go ahead and deep condition, cover up your hair, wait for the deep conditioner to penetrate your cuticles, then rinse that out, and then apply this treatment on your hair section by section. Remember, on this channel we highly advise that treatments should be applied section by section. That's just so the treatments can penetrate all nook and cranny of your hair. And again, make sure to concentrate this treatment on your hair tips, because they are the oldest part of your hair and they are not to be neglected, and also they are to be cared for. Give them tender loving care that they deserve. Also, do not forget your roots, where the hair grows out from. Apply this treatment all over your hair. Make sure to saturate this treatment all over your hair. Make sure to get more aloe vera so that your hair can fully absorb this. Drench your hair with it if possible, because this treatment works amazingly well in helping with hair growth and volume. You all can agree with me that aloe vera is amazing. Please, this treatment is to be applied only on wash day. It's not a leave-in. After the application, you will cover up your hair and wait for 30 minutes or an hour depending on your time before rinsing out. When rinsing out, do not use shampoo, just use water to rinse out. And also, the reason for the covering is just so this treatment can penetrate your cuticles and do its work. This treatment can last up to a month if stored in the refrigerator because of the vitamin E oil in it. I went ahead and covered up my hair and waited before rinsing. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you shortly.